Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your mouse pointer speed on your Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to show you few different ways using which you can change the mouse pointer speed. So let's see them one by one. The first option is you just need to click on the search icon here and then search for settings app. So just search for settings and you will see settings app in the result. Just click on this and it's going to open the settings app. So once the settings app opens, you need to select the Bluetooth and devices option. So just select Bluetooth and devices option, and when you scroll down you will be able to see mouse option. So just click on it. Here you will be able to see this option which says mouse pointer speed, and you will be able to just increase this speed or you can make it slower. So by default it's on 10. I can just increase it to 20, which is going to increase the pointer speed to the higher speed, and when I scroll it to the very bottom, my mouse pointer speed is going to become very slow. Okay, so ideally it should be around 10, but if you are experiencing some problems with your mouse pointer speed, then you can make it slower or faster. Let me show you one more way in which you can change the mouse pointer speed, and that is by using control panel. So you can just click on the search icon once again and search for control panel, and then click on control panel here, and then under control panel just view by category and then click on hardware and sound, and here search for mouse. Okay, so search for mouse and then click on the mouse option. When you click on the mouse option, you will be able to see this kind of window. You need to go to the mouse pointer option. So click on this tab which says pointer options, and from here also you can change the mouse pointer speed. So right now it's in the middle. You can make it faster or you can make it slower from here. And once you have changed your mouse pointer speed, you can click on apply and then click on OK, which is also going to change the mouse pointer speed on your Windows 11 operating system. So these are the few different ways in which you can change the mouse pointer speed on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.